Today we are going to learn about typecasting in C++. First of all, what is a typecasting? Actually, typecasting is a technique in C++ that by using which we can convert one type of variable of any data type to another data type. That means suppose you are having integer variable, you can convert that variable to a floating point, and if you are having a character variable, you can convert it to int or floating point. You are having int variable, you can print it as character variable. Yeah, you can convert any type of variable to other data type. Now let's do it in a program. Hash include iostream using namespace std main int. Suppose you are having a variable int a comma b. There are two variables a and b, and both are having data type that is integer type data, and we want to find the average of these two variables. For average, we will use float avg. Now how we can find the average of two numbers? By let's suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to let's suppose 3, and if we divide 10 divided by if we want to find the average is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Now if we'll add 10 divided by 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13 divided by 2, what should be the result? It should be 6.5 if we divide 13 divided by 2. Why this 13? I think a plus b, 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. And why this 2? Because we are going to find the average, and as we are going to find the average of two numbers, so we are going to divide this number by 2. Now let's see what is the result here. Cout avg, save file, compile. Now you can see the result here is 6. As the result, what should be the result here? It should be 6.5. But what is the result here? This is 6. This is integer. So when we are going to divide two integer numbers together, we will get the result of that integer that will implicitly convert it to float data type. But the result is this 6. Now this type of typecasting is known as implicit typecasting. Now let's see, we don't need, and if we are going to do such type of deviance, then what should we do? We should add float data type with the variables we are going to convert. Then we also convert this float and overall bracket for the inner calculation. Now let's see what is the result again here. Now you can see the result is 6.5. How I am going to get this result? I have added float with this a variable. I have converted this a explicitly to a float data type, and now I have added this b explicitly to the float variable. Now what will happen here? These two variables that are basically of integer type, but we have converted it to the floating type for this type of calculation. For to find the average, we have converted it to the float data type. So many times we can have such situation that we are going to divide integer variables, or we are going to divide float variables, but we need a result of integer data type. Or sometime suppose we want to find the ASCII characters, that is actually when we change one data type, like if you are going to take integer variable and you want to print the ASCII character behind that integer variable, you can use this type of typecasting. Okay, this type, when we add the variable name with the data type with the variable during the operation, this type of typecasting is known as explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting. Okay, and what the typecasting is actually do, it actually by using typecasting we can have high level of accuracy, where we never want to miss any point. We can use this type of typecasting. Okay, thank you.